Good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter 6, page number 1 to 12 and 13. So let's start. Sound of O. What is the sound of O? O. O. Okay. Sound of O as in cord. So let's read. Repeat after me. K, O, T, cot. K, O, T, cot. P, O, po, T, pot. P, O, T, pot. H, O, ho, T, hot. H, O, ho, T, hot. D, O, T, dot. D, O, T, dot. G, O, T, got. G, O, T, got. L, O, T, lot. N, O, T, not. Sound of O as in cop. K, O, P, cop. K, O, P, cop. M, O, P, mop. M, O, mo, P, mop. T, O, to, P, top. H, O, P, hop. P, O, P, pop. P, O, P, pop. S, O, P, soap. S, O, P, soap. F, O, P, fop. F, O, P, fop. Sound of O as in God. G, O, D, God. P, O, D, pod. T, O, D, Todd. R, O, D, road. N, O, D, nod. M, O, D, mod. H, O, D, hod. So students, read page number 1 to 12 with phonic sound O. Okay, OK sound करेंगे and then read with phonic sound. Thank you for watching this video.